Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use Equalizer APO with Voicemeeter. Before we start, make sure both Equalizer APO and Voicemeeter are already downloaded and installed on your computer. First, press Windows plus R, type mmsys.cpl, and press Enter. Right-click your active playback device and select Properties. Open the Advanced tab and uncheck Allow Applications to take exclusive control of this device. Click Apply and OK. Now go to the Recording tab and repeat the same steps for your active recording device. Next, open the configurator from the Start menu. In the Playback Devices tab, check your Voicemeeter inputs, such as Voicemeeter Input or Voicemeeter Aux Input. If you want to apply EQ to your microphone, open the Capture Devices tab and check your Voicemeeter outputs. Click OK, choose Reboot Now, and let your computer restart. This restart is required. After the restart, open the Configuration Editor. Click the green plus icon, hover over Control, and select Device. Click Change. Uncheck Select All Devices. Then select only your Voicemeeter device and click OK. Click the green plus icon again below the device line, hover over Graphic Filters, and choose either the 15-band graphic equalizer or the 31-band graphic equalizer. Move the sliders to increase or decrease different frequencies until your audio sounds the way you want. Your Equalizer APO settings are now linked directly to Voicemeeter and ready to use. Thanks for watching.